total active case hadu mentag di aspa nyoko hapo East Castles baro kilong aspa laifun rew BSF chispa nyok handai na ki military bat kiwi bat jong armed forces compare force kilong baro khat san bat kiwi bat ki bran po Shillong ki detainees ki contacts ki gidon hangni kilong san puar Hari Bohai district Khat Handai East Jaintia Hills R West Garo Hills Khandai South Garo Hills R East Garo Hills Iway North Garo Hills Iway Iblajem South Hundrew but ki samples ki ba ni pha dan test ki hadu menta kilong 8,000 Faspa hanyo ki bamdan yo khanyang jipang COVID-19 kilong 8,000 sispa handai but test ki ba ngidang up yang result kilong live spa ki barung hapo kastir ka jela ka jengi hadu menta kilong 4,000 faspa live nyo kila po hadu sispa handai kufra contact traces bon di bawah negatif hadu mentah jengidang up ini kita ina up ini kita support ini giwai bereng jongki giwai tambah ki main di bagi di high risk di bon ngila ada test is one you remember from Riangmen there is one another one was of Assam Rifles and one more today from Assam Rifles we have put in we'll have to put in military hospital so that is 5. So when we say armed forces from our side, and what they mean and what we mean is that for our convenience, we have said armed forces will include all these, Air Force and military.